RB exists to protect, heal, and nurture in the relentless pursuit of a cleaner and healthier world. And we do that really through two main strengths. One is our brands. We have amazing brands that provide real benefits for people to care for their health, hygiene, and nutrition needs. Another is our people. Our people are incredibly passionate about delivering those benefits and that commitment. I'm David Duran, Director of Product Lifecycle Management, PLM, at Reckitt Benckiser. As we've grown, we've recognized that we need to give our people the right tools, the right capability to do their job, to do it well, not just today, but in the decade to come. PLM is a new tool in our toolbox, one of our key kind of backbone systems that will help us to do work more efficiently, more consistently. For us, the number one critical thing is we have one version of truth about our products. What's been designed is what's being manufactured always, and they've been through the right safety and compliance checks. So what in the past has been quite a manual process, quite resource-intense process to make sure that the development world and the manufacturing world were in sync. With PLM, it's always one and the same. That interface is automated. We get it right in development, and it will be right in the factory, no questions about it. In the first year, we went live with our first pilot site, our condom manufacturing site in Thailand. And we've got that to a place now where we're about ready to roll it out into more of our factories. I'm excited that we're giving our people the tools that free them up to spend their effort and energy on doing the creative work, doing the innovation in areas which are probably more value add than just manually moving data back and forth. One of the insights was there's a certain report that we have to do that we've done in the past quite manually, and tomorrow we'll be able to do it in a week instead of a month. That's just the tip of the iceberg for what PLM actually can do. So while we started from a safety and compliance angle, and that's paramount, we're excited about some of the other things PLM can bring in terms of efficiency and smoother operations, speed to market. Having more of an ability to connect the dots, we have to do that. We have to strengthen that. And I think PLM is one of the building blocks where we can make at least one dimension of that data much more accessible to then gain those insights, let our formulators do their expertise and not have to kind of hunt in files and folders for what should be readily available. Everyone working on the program's been able to create the future ways of working. And I think for a lot of the team to be shaping how we're going to work years ahead of time or years down the road is really an exciting journey to be on.